see. Okay. Most of the time when Joe and I gig or when I'm performing, I usually do this song always in honor of those who deserve the credit where it's due. And I speak of our kupuna. And the song written by our cousin Keola Beamer speaks of what they've deposited into our lives in how we do our dance, our hula, our music, and all that we are. So for the elders, a song called In the Real Old Style. My grandfather is a kindly man. He lives on homestead land. Sometimes he'd sing me the songs he wrote when he was still a young man, and he'd play in the old style, and he played in the real old style. My aunties, they all love to dance. The family love to sing. I sing with them when I get the chance, and they feel with love for me, and they dance in the real old style, and they dance in the real old style. Now these folks, they aren't young no more. They will pass away. I know that I'll remember the songs they used to play. They'll play in the real old style. And I'll play in the real old style. Now I'm a young man still, with many things to see. Someday when I grow old, I'll sing the song they sang for me. the songs they used to play. And they'll play in the real old style. And I'll play in the real old style. And I'll play in the everybody, get it to the North Shore. Aloha.
Give him another round of applause, please. One of the finest Scotch guitarists in Hawaii.